The coefficient of x square in the expansion of is 3. Find the value of the constant a. Given is coefficient of x square equal to 3 in this 4 plus ax times 1 plus x by 2 power 6. In this expansion, coefficient of x square equal to 3 is given. Now, how do we solve this sum means? In this, I will also find coefficient of x square. Clear? Whatever I get coefficient of x square here, I equate that to 3 and simplify, resulting in the value of a. Clear? So now I need to find the coefficient of x square in this. And how do we find that? See. This bracket has got power 1, it will not undergo any change. Now, this bracket has got power 6. So many terms I will get in this expansion. I don't need to write all the terms, I only need to write those terms which result in x square. Now, how do I decide that? Based on this one. 4 should be multiplied with x square. Only then the result, it will result in x square. Here x power 1 should be multiplied with x power 1. Only then it will result in x square. Okay, now that means for this bracket I need to find coefficient of x square and coefficient of x power 1. To find the coefficients, first you need to write the general term. General term formula is NCR x power r y power n minus r. N is the power. X is inside the bracket, the x term will be x and the left out term will be y. Replace them in this. So you get 6CR in place of x, x by 2 power r, in place of y 1. R will remain like that only. Now, simplify this to the maximum extent. And how we do that? See. 6CR will remain. Apply this power to each. So that will be x power r by 2 power r. Okay. 1 power anything is 1. So it does not make any difference whether you write 1 or not. So I am not writing. So now, write x at the end. So that will be 6CR by 2 power r x power r. This cannot be simplified further, so I stop there. Now, I need x square coefficient, so power on x is 2 and here power on x is r. Equate both the powers to get the value of r. So that will be 2 equal to r. So now, replace r equal to 2 in this. What will you get? 6C2 by 2 power 2 x power 2. So, if you put this in the calculator, you get 15 by 4 x square. So, coefficient of x square is 15 by 4. Now, I need to find coefficient of x power 1 and here x power r. Equate both the powers of x to get the value of r. So 1 equal to r. Replace r equal to 1 in this. So I get 6C1 by 2 power 1 x power 1. If you put this in the calculator, it is 3. So coefficient of x power 1 is 3 that you write here. Okay. Now multiply. 4 times 15 by 4 will be 15. A times 3 is 3a. Now take x square common. So coefficient of x square that we got is 15 plus 3a, and he told coefficient of x square is 3. That could only happen if both of them are equal. This is coefficient of x square, this also coefficient of x square. Both are the coefficient of x square, only happen if both of them are equal. So equate both. So 15 plus 3a equal to 3. Now subtract 15. Subtract 15, then 15 gets cancelled, 3a equal to minus 12. Now divide by 3. So a equal to minus 4. We found the value of a.